Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Putz houses are probably one of the most charming and nostalgic parts of holiday decor, bringing a unique touch to Christmas celebrations. Originating in the early 20th century, these miniature houses often create enchanting winter scenes, and in this video, we will explore the best options available, helping you find the perfect Putz house to add a touch of vintage charm to your holiday display. We will also look at what makes a good Putz house, what to look for when buying one, and how to best display them to create a magical Christmas atmosphere. Number 5. Prextex 22 Christmas Tree. It's the perfect addition to any small space. This set includes a 22-inch tree, LED lights, and a star topper, creating a cozy holiday atmosphere. Assembling it is a breeze. It comes with ornaments and a sturdy stand, making decorating simple and fun. With its lush, easy-to-fluff branches, it beautifully mimics a natural pine tree. It brings a classic holiday feel to your home. It's versatile enough for indoor or outdoor use. Place it on a table, patio, or anywhere you want a touch of holiday charm. Everything you need is included. It comes with extra bulbs, ornaments, and a stable base, ensuring a memorable holiday display. What we like? It assembles in minutes, includes all the ornaments and lights you need, and looks just like a real tree. If you're short on time but want a festive feel, this is perfect for your apartment or small space. It's ideal for those who want a charming, classic Christmas tree without the fuss. Number 4. Best Choice Products Christmas Village. It's meticulously crafted and hand-painted, giving it a unique charm. This makes it the perfect centerpiece for your holiday celebrations. With 20 LED lights, it brings the village to life. The town hall, clock tower, and toy shop all sparkle in the warm glow. You can use the included power cord or 3 AA batteries. It even has a built-in timer for 6 hours on and 18 hours off. Hand-painted trees, deer, and homes create a lively winter scene. It's the perfect size for your mantel, window sill, or entryway. Simple yet sophisticated, it complements any home style. Whether your style is traditional, rustic, or bohemian, it will fit right in. It measures 29 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 10.5 inches high. It's the perfect size to add a touch of holiday magic to your home. What we like? This charming village is meticulously hand-painted and pre-lit with LEDs, creating a magical atmosphere. It offers 2 power options for convenience and can be used anywhere in your home. If you're looking for a unique and enchanting centerpiece for your mantel or entryway, this is the perfect choice. What people say? Featuring superior craftsmanship and a lightweight design, its battery or plug-in power option is remarkably convenient. With every element illuminated, including houses, clock tower, base, and streetlights, the effect is mesmerizing. The workmanship is stunning and the piece really reminds one of a quaint European village in winter, at Christmas. It also has a timer to automatically switch off after 6 or 8 hours. The crafting is done very well. I have tweaked a little by adding my own mini wreaths to the building peaks and added some Lemax Christmas figures, small poinsettias and shoppers, and small flocked 4 Christmas trees to give it an enhanced 3D look. Number 3. Bethany Lowe Putz House. This charming Putz house is a delightful addition to your holiday decor. It's reminiscent of cherished holiday traditions from the past, bringing a touch of nostalgia to your Christmas village. It's designed to evoke the warm feelings of bygone holiday seasons. Imagine it nestled amongst your other festive pieces, creating a scene of cozy winter charm. Notice the exquisite detailing. It's crafted to resemble nostalgic holiday decor of years past. Every element is carefully designed to capture the spirit of the season. Standing at approximately 9 inches tall and 6.5 inches wide, it's the perfect size to make a statement without overwhelming your display. It's a wonderful centerpiece for your holiday village. This collectible is created by Bethany Lowe Designs, known for their high quality and charming holiday pieces. It's a festive treasure you'll cherish for years to come. This delightful piece is a perfect addition to any Christmas village display. It adds a touch of vintage charm and holiday spirit. This charming piece is more than just a decoration, it's a holiday collectible that you'll treasure for years to come. It's a wonderful keepsake to share with loved ones. What we like? This charming piece is a beautiful collectible that evokes the nostalgic charm of Christmases past. Its wintry white design adds a touch of elegance to your holiday decor. If you appreciate handcrafted items and love a touch of vintage style, this is a must-have for your collection. Number 2. Putz Style DIY Houses. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this delightful set of 6 miniature vintage houses. Each one is unique and ready for your personal touch. This charming house, measuring 212 by 214 inches, is perfect for a quaint village scene. Add your own paint and details to make it truly special. With its elegant arched windows and dimensions of 3 by 214 inches, this house adds a touch of sophistication. Let your imagination run wild decorating it. This versatile house, measuring 212 by 214 inches, is a blank canvas for your creative ideas. Transform it into your dream home. The round window of this 212 by 2-inch house adds a unique charm. It's the perfect size for a cozy cottage feel. Complete your village with this 212 by 214-inch house and the impressive 212 by 4-inch church. They're ready for your personal touch. Everything you need is included: bases, window frames, church glass, and an instruction sheet to inspire your creativity. Let the crafting begin. These charming houses are proudly made in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Enjoy creating your miniature world. What we like. This kit lets you create your own charming village of vintage houses. It's a fun and affordable way to add a personalized touch to your holiday decor. If you enjoy crafting and want a unique, budget-friendly way to decorate, this is perfect for you. What people say. This was the second set of Putz-style houses I've purchased from this seller. Last year I bought a set from her Etsy store. That I got another set this year speaks to how satisfied I was with the houses. This year I had an accident with one of the houses. It fell into a glass of water. Now they are made of chipboard, like a cereal box but a little thicker. The house was saturated but still in one piece. It looked perfect, just wet, so instead of tossing it I gave it time to dry out. I'm happy to say the house is now dry and ready to be painted. It held up perfectly. The glue even held together because she used hot glue. These are perfect tiny houses and a church. I haven't painted or decorated yet. I can hardly wait. It came with great add-ins. I got them to replace the ones on my childhood trees. The houses are smaller than expected but very good quality. I can't wait to start painting them. Number 1. Putz Style 6 Mini Vintage Houses. Let's get started. Everything you need to create your charming little village is right here in this complete kit. It's so easy. This kit includes 6 uniquely designed miniature houses. Each one has its own special character and charm. Notice the beautiful details. They're crafted with high-quality materials, including stained glass windows and plenty of glitter. All the pieces are pre-cut and ready to assemble. It's a fun and relaxing DIY project for all skill levels. While everything is included, feel free to add your own creative embellishments. Let your imagination run wild. Look at this adorable village. It's the perfect addition to any holiday display or a charming decoration all year round. What we like. Everything you need to create your own festive village is included in this kit, from paints and glitter to miniature trees. It's ready to be crafted and personalized to your liking. If you want a fun and easy DIY project with all the materials provided, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Set had everything in it needed to paint and decorate. They are well built, easy to work with, they take paint really well. So nice to have the houses assembled. Used all the extras in the kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.